Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Nvidia graphics card driver in Windows 11. So if you have a Nvidia graphics driver, you probably already have a app called GeForce Experience. And if you don't have the GeForce Experience, you just need to go to any browser as in the Google, search for GeForce Experience, and then you just need to go to this www.nvidia.com, click on this GeForce Experience. And after that, you need to download this GeForce Experience app here. You just need to click on download now and then just simply install it and go to search bar and search for your GeForce Experience here. Just type GeForce Experience and open the GeForce Experience application here. After opening the GeForce Experience, in the home, you will have all the games that you have installed in your PC. And in the second here, you can see the drivers option here. And also you have to log in with the Google or any other account in the GeForce Experience and just click on this drivers option. After opening the drivers option, you will have the latest graphics driver here for your Nvidia graphics driver. And if you don't have that, you just need to click on check for updates. And for me, I already have a latest graphics driver, which is currently now paused. So if you get this latest driver for you, just need to download it. So you just need to click download. And if I just click download here, and you can see currently it's now downloading. So after downloading the latest game ready driver, you just need to install it. And that's it. This is how you can find your latest graphics driver for your NVIDIA. And after downloading, you just need to install it. And your graphics driver will install. So that's it, guys. This is how you can download and install the latest graphics driver for NVIDIA in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.